Alright guys, we are going to make this video incredibly quickly today. Just as a heads up, there are these fake letters going around right now claiming to be from Ledger. This is a letter that I have personally received. We did see something like this earlier last year or middle of last year. This letter is claiming that if you either scan the barcode, which I am blocking, or go to a website, you will end up gaining quantum resistance on your Ledger devices. This is fake, this is false. If you go to the website, if you scan the barcode on said letter, you will lose your crypto and they will steal your information. It seems like scams are on the rise, guys, so please be careful. Also, if you know anyone who is new into crypto or older who you think might fall for this scam, please warn them. Just take 5 minutes out of your day and let them know about it, or send them this video, because at the end of the day, we got to try to protect each other in this community because there are way too many bad actors and way too many scammers out there to begin with. But hopefully this video was helpful, guys. Take care, be safe, God bless, and have a great night. Bye.